Hi everyone. Well, today we're checking the subject pronouns in Spanish. I mean, in Spanish, los pronombres personales en español. Let's start. Let's start. We have subject pronouns and pronombres personales in Spanish. Okay. For the subject pronoun I in Spanish, we have yo. Okay, yo. Okay. For you, we have tú. Okay, but there's a thing. If we are talking in a respectful way or in a formal way to a person who we are just meeting by the first time, or to a boss at a company or something like that, we say usted. Okay, you means also usted. Okay, and but also we use uh, another thing for the plural. For the plural, we use ustedes. Ustedes. In this case, ustedes may be for plural. It may be a group of men, a group of women, or mixed. A mixed group, men and women. Okay? Then we have we. That is nosotros. Okay? Nosotros. And we have nosotras, okay? But nosotras is when we are talking about a group of women, okay? For example, if we were, I were a woman, sorry, if I were a woman, and you, all of you who are watching this video were women, we would have that we would say nosotras and not nosotros. Okay, so when we are talking in plural and we are just men, we say nosotros. When we have a mixed group, we say a mixed group, women and men, we will say again nosotros. Okay, but when we are talking exclusively about female people, we will say nosotras. Okay. Well, the next is a piece of cake. They, okay, is ellos, okay, ellos. And then we have for a group of women, we would say ellas, okay? We would say ellas. And if we have a mixed group again, men and women, we would say ellos, okay? If we are talking a group of men and women, we can say ellos, okay? But remember, when they are female, just female, we have to say ellas, okay? Let's go on. He in Spanish is él, and that's it. It's a piece of cake, right? Then we have she in Spanish is ella, okay? Ella, and that's it. There's no problem, okay? And the last one, it. It in Spanish is eso, okay? And that's all. Remember that eso, as in English, is used to refer when we refer to objects or animals, okay? Well, so this is the way how subject pronouns, pronombres personales, this is the way how pronombres personales are translated, okay? Well, I hope this video was useful for you. And if you like this video, you may subscribe, comment, leave your comments, and watch the next video up here. See you next time.